Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will walk you through my student profile page which I built using HTML. This page includes a profile image and about me section, my hobbies, skills and goals. I will also explain the HTML tags I used, why I choose them and how they help organize content. Header section. At the top of the page, I used header tag to define the header section. Inside the main title of the page is wrapped in H1, which represents the most important heading. I only use H1 per page to maintain cinematic hierarchy and for better SEO. Below the title, I added my uh, profile picture using image tag. Key attributes here are src, which points to the image file, and alt, which provides descriptive text if the image fails to load. I also set width and height to control the image size. Then I include a smaller heading using S3 for a welcome message. Finally, I used HR tags to draw a horizontal visual separating the header from the main content. After that personal details section, the main content of the page is wrapped inside the main tag. For the personal details section, I use div to group related content. The section title use H2 because it's a subheading under H1. After that, the next is written using p tags for paragraph which ensure proper block level in formatting. And HR is including here as well to separate this section from the next visual. I choose div for its simplicity, while section could also be used. Div works as well for generic containers without cinematic emphasis. Hobbies and interest section. The hobbies section has H2 for heading and a smaller H3 subheading. I display hobbies using an on-order list with each hobby inside an ally. An order list is ideal here because the order of hobbies does not matter. I did not use OL because sequence is not important for hobbies. Using LI also improves accessibility and make it easier to style consistently later. Skills and abilities section. For skills, I divided them into technical section and soft skills. Technical skill are listed on order list because there is a logical sequence. For example, learning Python as before SQL. Soft skill are listed in unordered list since order doesn't matter. I used S3 heading for each subcategories to maintain a clearly hierarchy under the main section heading H2. After that, goals and aspiration section. This goals are also split into short term and long term. I use order list for both because the order represents a logical progress of steps. Subheadings are S3 to indicate that these are subsections of the main goal sections. Footer section. At the bottom, I use footer tag to define footer content. It includes a heading H2 navigation links inside nav with UL and LI elements and hyperlinks A to other pages. I also added P tags for copyright and creator information. Using footer instead of a generic div gives cinematic meaning, indicating this is the page's bottom section. And after that, line breaker and horizontal rules. I used BR tag for line break inside paragraphs, which creates a new line without starting a new paragraph. For horizontal separation between sections, HR is used. BR is for small breaks. HR is for long visual separation. Thank you. This is all.